Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Pure for Cricket Wireless. So the Moto G Pure is a new budget phone for Cricket Wireless. It recently got released, so if you guys are looking to get a new phone or whatnot, the Moto G Pure is definitely worth checking out. So like I said, this is a new budget phone. Of course, it's available now. It's available in deep indigo, so it's kind of like a dark grayish color there, so that's pretty nice. It is free when you guys switch your number to Cricket, or it's $90 when you need a new number and when you're upgrading the phone. So it's $90 for current customers. It is free if you're a new customer, alright? So if you're switching your number to Cricket, you can get this phone for free. However, if you're not gonna switch your number to Cricket, but you are gonna get a new number at Cricket, it's $90. Alright, so $90 for this phone is not bad. Like I said, this is a budget phone, of course, so very nice looking phone, and it does have pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. So do keep that in mind. Alright, so this is the Moto G Pure. Very nice looking phone, like I said. Also, let's go ahead and check out this bad boy here. So on the front of the phone, of course, you guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. And I do like the wallpaper there, very nice colorful wallpaper. I do also like the clock widget as well. Very nice. On the left side of the Moto G Pure is your micro SD and SIM card slot, so that's very nice. The camera just a bit down the back. So keep that in mind as well, alright? On the back of the Moto G Pure is your dual camera setup along with your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and this iconic Motorola logo right here. Your fingerprint sensor right here, and you also have your Cricket logo on the back, alright? So pretty nice. Like I said, it is free when you guys switch to Cricket. And it's $90 if you're a current customer, or if you are gonna get a new number with Cricket Wireless. Alright, so not bad either way. Alright, it's not bad for a free phone either. You know what I mean? So quick specs on the phone. Of course, it has a 6.5-inch display, 13 megapixel dual camera system on the rear, 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and it says here introducing Moto G Pure. With Moto G Pure, your favorite movies, shows, websites, and games come alive on the ultra-wide, stunning 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. Don't worry about recharging, work and play for up to 2 days, then power up quickly with rapid charging. Take your photos further. Add a professional look with the depth sensor and adjustable background blur for beautiful portraits. Capture your subject in the blink of an eye with a fast-focusing 13 megapixel rear camera. So you have a main camera on the rear, and you also have a depth sensor on the back as well. This probably 2 megapixels or some shit. So it is what it is, guys. So specs on this phone: 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display, up to 2 days of battery life with a 4,000 mAh battery. That's what Motorola claims, up to 2 days of battery life. But that also depends on usage as well. If you're a power user, you guys might get 1 day of battery. If you guys are a light user, you guys can get 2 days or possibly more. 13 megapixel dual camera system for sharp, stunning photos. Up to 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable to 512 gigabytes via micro SD. So take advantage of that. Octa-core processor with Hyper Engine. Responds instantly to every touch, swipe, and scroll. Fingerprint sensor to securely unlock phone with one touch. Water repellent design protects from accidental drops and splashes. The Moto G Pure has a water repellent coating, so that means if you guys get a little water on your phone, your phone will be fine. The Moto G Pure is not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water. It's not waterproof, guys. It's not. Alright, so if you put your phone in water, you're a dumbass. So there you go. So it's not waterproof, guys. If you put your Moto G Pure in water, you are a dumbass, because it's not meant to be submerged in water. but if you get a little bit of water on the phone, you will be alright. So, features: 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. Bring your favorite games, movies, and video chats to life on a stunning ultra-wide screen. Up to 2 days of battery life. Keep the fun going all weekend long with a 4,000 mAh battery. So like I said, your usage may vary, of course. So you may get 2 days of battery life if you're a light user. If you're a heavy user, you may get 1 day of battery life. It also depends on your usage as well. So it depends on your usage. So if you're a power user, you may get 1 day of battery life. If you're a light user, you might get 2 days of battery life, maybe more. But also it depends on the usage, of course. Take your photos further, alright? Capture beautiful portraits with a blur effect and focus in the blink of an eye using phase detection and autofocus. The Moto G Pure brings together a 13 megapixel main and a 2 megapixel depth rear camera, while the 5 megapixel front camera will stun everyone with amazing selfies. So yeah. So not terrible specs here. Like I said, this is a budget phone that comes with Android 11, so that's very nice. So, your dimensions are 6.58 inches in height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. Screen size 6.5 inches at HD plus 720p display. Up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 512 gigabytes, so take advantage of that. Your connectivity options include 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone, of course. Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABG and AC, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, mobile hotspot, and Wi-Fi calling on board. Cameras: you get 13 megapixel main camera plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear, 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Processor is an octa-core processor. I don't even know the processor on this phone. I don't even know what the processor is in this phone. I don't even know. And you get a 4,000 mAh battery. There's your hand there. Your compatibility is there. Accessories. I mean, here you go. If you guys want to get accessories from Cricket, I don't know why you would, because you can go to Amazon and get them cheaper. So if you guys want to get accessories for the Moto G Pure, go to Amazon and get your accessories for cheaper on Amazon, and you guys will have more choices to choose from and stuff like that. So they do have a few accessories here, like cases and whatnot. But I suggest you guys go to Amazon and get your accessories for the Moto G Pure. Alright, so yeah. So there you guys have it. The Moto G Pure is now here at Cricket Wireless. It's available now for $89.99 for a retail price. If you're a current customer, or if you're a new customer and wanting a new number with Cricket, it'll be $89.99. If you're porting your number over to Cricket, it will be free. So not bad for a free phone like this. Decent specs as well. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone, first phone for your kid or whatever, or if you guys are just looking to get a budget phone and don't want to spend a whole lot of money, the Moto G Pure is worth checking out. It does have decent specs on it, so it's very good. Yeah, not bad for a free phone, you know what I'm saying? I think it's a pretty good deal for a free phone. So there you guys have it, Moto G Pure, now available at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.